little wintry weather is going to try to make an appearance several times this week, starting with tonight. Some snow showers may be on the way. Satellite and radar showing a weather feature moving across Iowa and into Wisconsin and Illinois, with the potential for at least a rain-snow mix early on and heavier snow shower rates going into the overnight hours. Here's satellite and radar. A little activity pushing into Joe Daviess County right now. So far, surface observations showing mainly a rain-snow mix or just regular rain showers. So not really anything for snow yet, but as the atmosphere continues to cool on off, may see this change over to snow later on tonight. Here is future track, and we'll have that light activity catch up with much of the rest of the state line after midnight. You can see here by 12:30, at least some rain-snow mix going on near Rockford and I-39. Light snow showers to the west of I-39. All areas getting at least a rain-snow mix, if not light rain snow showers late overnight. And then as we get into early tomorrow morning, beyond sunrise, should have dry conditions. We're looking at a mainly dry Tuesday, so minimal impacts here for that morning drive. Right now, a bit of a split across the state line. Eastern half more in the way of a couple pockets of slush, mainly in fields and on lawns, really not sticking to the roads. Better chances for up to an inch of slush, again mainly on grassy surfaces as well as on bridges and overpasses into tomorrow morning. Now, it wouldn't be up to an inch of slush on those bridges, but those are the spots that could have just a minor layer that could result in some slick conditions. Those bridges and overpasses a lot more exposed to the air, which is why they could drop down below freezing. So going into tomorrow morning, that morning drive, watch out for wet roads and then be a little extra careful on bridges and overpasses, as that's where we could see just a little slush stick. And then again, up to an inch may be possible on the grass as well as on into fields and things like that into tomorrow morning. So not much slowing you down for that morning drive. Temperatures will be down to 32 degrees tonight, changing from drizzle over to a little snowfall late overnight. And then we're completely drying on out for our Tuesday. 41 degrees, still cold out there with some sunshine going into the afternoon, and any snow that does manage to stick to your lawn will be long gone by the afternoon, as we do see that sunshine and above freezing temperatures getting rid of a lot of that. A couple more rounds possible later this week. A rain-snow mix briefly Wednesday morning, and then for the rest of the day looking at a cold rain. Could have up to a half an inch of slush on your lawn by the time it gets to Wednesday itself. And then for Thursday, Halloween, could have just straight snow showers. The rain-snow mix is looking likely, but there's a possibility here that we see just straight snowfall by then and accumulating snow as a result. So here's future track. There's that brief rain-snow mix as of Wednesday morning. That's out quickly, and we'll have just regular rain showers throughout the remainder of the day going into Wednesday evening. By Wednesday night, changing back over potentially to snow and then staying as snow throughout much of Thursday itself. You can see those showers still going as we approach the trick-or-treat times, and then late into Thursday evening is when all that moves out. However, for Thursday, way too early to give out any amounts. We're still over 72 hours away from this, and there's a large spread in those models as to how much may fall, and temperature is going to play a huge role here. We could end up with a decent rain-snow mix that's going to cut way down in any snow amounts. So stay tuned for that Thursday forecast and be ready for slushy conditions. It's about 5 years ago that we saw a 1/10 of an inch fall on the 31st, which is a record for that date. Cold temperatures on the way, 30s to 40s throughout the rest of this week. James and Kristen.
Alex, thanks.